How to detect cracks with the Defectometer M. This and more you will find out now. The Defectometer M offers several automatisms and is much easier to adjust than conventional eddy current test systems. The test frequency, as example, is set up automatically with the connected probe, and there are probes available for 480 kHz, 2 MHz or 3 MHz. Let's start with the setup. So we connect the probe cable to the Defectometer M, and here we sure connect the probe, and we switch on the device. Now the Defectometer M tells us 0 air, so we hold the probe in the air and we press 0. Now it says 0 mud. We take a crack standard from the material we want to test later, we put the probe on the material and we press 0 mud. Now the instrument says tilt mud. We move the probe a little bit, and during tilt mud the instrument adjusts the phase in the background to get an optimal setup. Now we move the probe on the crack we want to adjust, and when we move the probe on the crack, we see we have a signal of around 50%, and we can adjust the signal with the gain and increase it, as example, on 80%. Now we have everything set up, and we will detect cracks which are deeper than our master defect. So let's get some parts for testing. We move now our probe over the area . Oh, and there was a crack signal, so there's a crack. The eddy current signal correlates with the crack depth, so if you have a deeper crack in your material, you get a higher signal. If you enjoyed our video, subscribe our channel and see you next time.